Find and record compressed air leaks with the Ultraprobe 3000. You can also check for problems in valves or steam traps by using the contact module. Watch the decibel level on the digital screen and record it to create compressed air survey reports. Connect the instrument to a computer and upload the data to the DMS software. Generate a comprehensive air loss report. The Excel report indicates how much your leaks cost and how much money can be saved by fixing them. The Ultraprobe 3000 is the perfect tool for energy-saving programs. Download the free Leak Survey app and create your reports on the spot.